Hi, this is Daisy with the latest PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 113, with exciting features that are all about enhancing your PortaSwitch experience. Let's see what we've got. First up, let's talk about being able to create beautiful invoices for your customers. With Add-on Mart, you can now access best-of-breed tools for invoice PDF design and branding. Imagine crafting your invoices in a modern and versatile visual editor that offers a variety of fonts and the ability to add barcodes and QR codes. The integration with Craft My PDF is available now, and more will be coming soon. Create professional-looking invoice layouts when and how it's convenient for you. Next, we're introducing a key update for call centers, the new Hunt Group Supervisor role. This role is specially designed to empower certain team members to manage one or more Hunt groups, thus allowing the main call center administrator to focus on other important tasks. This feature works with Cloud PBX Self-Care Portal or any other custom portal. We have also made call management smoother. Your PBX customers can now program soft keys on their IP phones for quick call parking and retrieval with a single button. No more remembering and dialing special service codes and extensions. And there's more! Maintenance Release 113 also delivers branding of the PortaBilling web interface for your admins and resellers. Add your company's logo, adjust the color theme to match your branding guidelines, or create distinct brand identities for each reseller. Flexibility is key, and with MR113, both service providers and resellers can now sign up and choose their Add-on Mart services independently, so each party can choose only those Add-on Mart modules that best fit their needs. Developers, we've got something for you too. The built-in API documentation portal is now easily accessible directly from the PortaBilling main menu. This automatically fills out the authentication information, so you can try and test the API method immediately, allowing you to streamline the development process. Lastly, we've improved the clarity for vendor xDRs. Unsuccessful call attempts are now highlighted, and a new connection column shows which vendor connection was used for each routing attempt. This makes investigating unsuccessful call attempts faster and more intuitive. This is all PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 113 designed to enhance efficiency and control of your telecom operations, plus provide more options for customization. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts or questions about this new release in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Stay ahead in the industry with PortaOne.